right here on the Dow, we have formed this downward kind of wedge, and I'm looking for either a bounce off of this bottom support or a break through this top support. I would really like to see the bounce off the bottom, wait for our break of structure, and then we can kind of hold this trade all the way through here. This is a resistance level that we can see on the 1 hour here. Our 1 hour RSI is just shaking off an oversold condition. Our 5-minute RSI is pretty neutral, a little bit under 50, so we're primed for a long, preferably off of this bottom support level. Our 30-minute chart, especially the RSI, is saying that we will go up from here. We are oversold and we are looking for our move up. This is our higher probability trend line, but I am willing to take it off of this trend line too right here. It is 4 touches in quotes, it's on 5 minutes, so it's not the highest probability, but I'm willing to take it seeing the conditions that we are facing. The 1 hour RSI being oversold, the 30-minute being oversold, and the 5-minute being neutral, and we are in this wedge right here. So that is my bias. I predict that we will break out of this wedge to the upside. But if you are only doing your analysis from this right here, you're probably going to say this is a bear flag and that we're looking for the short. But, because we are looking at the market in general and not just this 5-minute chart, we are going to see that RSI oversold in the 1 hour. We're going to see the liquidity sweep under this resistance level, and we're going to see the head and shoulders. It's nah. The head and shoulders ain't really there, but it's subjective if you want to say that's a head and shoulders or not, but I mean, we've kind of come down into the liquidity off of this formation here, so we could definitely see the long. Now, if we do get that trade, I will be taking it from preferably around this 795 level to this 913 level at these relative highs right here. And if we break through that in relatively fast amount of time with high volume, our RSI is looking good, and our level 2 market data is looking good, then we could hold it to this level right here at 0.13 or this relative high at 0.59. Now, if it's really ripping, we could hold it to this trend line here, but I don't think that we will break through this one. I think that we will see a bounce off of this trend line, and then we will continue lower. That is my bias for the MYM on 7/29.